The creation of complementary abstract art sculptures from artisanal discarded wood and metal begins with a profound shift in perspective, one that invites designers and makers to see beauty and possibility within materials that have long been overlooked. In workshops, demolition sites, industrial yards, and quiet corners of storage rooms, fragments of wood and metal accumulate after their original purpose has ended. Broken planks, twisted metal bars, rusted plates, and irregular offcuts are often dismissed as waste, yet these materials hold within them an extraordinary capacity for reinvention. When approached with imagination and disciplined craftsmanship, such remnants can evolve into abstract sculptural forms that enrich interior architecture and transform living spaces into galleries of thoughtful design. This transformation represents more than a simple act of recycling. It becomes a creative philosophy where discarded materials are reinterpreted as elements of modern artistic expression, bridging the gap between sustainability and luxury. Welcome to Decor Ideas, your calm corner of design inspiration. Just clear and creative content focused on woodworking, decor, and functional beauty. We're here to inspire you. Each project is designed to inspire your next move, whether you're a seasoned craftsman or just starting out. Join us, subscribe, and make every space more you, with style, warmth, and a touch of wood. So, watch the video until the end to see this beautiful collection and get inspiration. The journey toward crafting abstract sculptures from reclaimed wood and metal begins with careful observation of the materials themselves. Each piece carries its own history, marked by weathered surfaces, tool impressions, and subtle variations in texture that reveal the environments in which it once existed. A wooden fragment may display rich grain patterns shaped by decades of growth, while a piece of metal may hold the patina of oxidation that developed through exposure to time and weather. These characteristics, often considered imperfections in conventional manufacturing, become valuable aesthetic qualities within the realm of abstract art. Rather than concealing the marks of age and use, the artisan learns to celebrate them, allowing the natural character of each material to influence the evolving composition. The process becomes a dialogue between the maker and the material, where the inherent form of each fragment suggests possibilities for shape, balance, and structure. As these fragments are arranged and refined, they begin to take on the qualities of sculptural architecture rather than simple decorative objects. Abstract art derived from reclaimed materials often relies on the interplay between organic and industrial elements, combining the warmth of wood with the strength and precision of metal. Wooden segments can be carved, sanded, or polished to reveal smooth contours that contrast with the crisp edges of welded steel or iron. Metal components may be bent, brushed, or burnished to create surfaces that reflect light in subtle ways, enhancing the visual complexity of the sculpture. Through careful composition, these materials interact to form structures that appear both dynamic and balanced, capturing the attention of viewers while maintaining harmony within the surrounding environment. In modern interior design, abstract sculptures made from reclaimed materials function as architectural focal points that anchor a space with visual intrigue. Unlike traditional decor items that merely complement a room, these pieces command presence and establish an atmosphere of creativity and refinement. Placed within living rooms, hallways, or open-plan interiors, a sculptural arrangement of wood and metal can transform an otherwise empty corner into a gallery-like display. The textures of reclaimed timber introduce warmth and authenticity, while the metallic elements contribute a sense of structure and modernity. Together, they form a composition that resonates with contemporary design principles, where minimalism and industrial influences often coexist with natural materials. The role of light is particularly important in enhancing the impact of abstract sculptures. As natural or artificial illumination moves across the surfaces of wood and metal, shadows and highlights emerge that emphasize the contours and geometry of the piece. Rough textures may catch light differently than polished surfaces, creating layers of visual depth that change throughout the day. This interaction between sculpture and light reinforces the architectural quality of the artwork, allowing it to feel integrated into the space rather than simply placed within it. In this way, Abstract sculptures derived from reclaimed materials contribute to the overall ambience of a room, enriching its visual narrative while encouraging viewers to engage with the artwork from multiple perspectives. Dear viewers, are you enjoying today's content? Take a moment to share your thoughts in the comments and tell us which country you're watching from so we can feel more connected as a global community of woodworking, crafting, and decor lovers. We post furniture, decor, and craft ideas videos on a daily basis. Please consider subscribing and smash the notification bell so that you will be notified when we upload new videos. It's amazing to see our ideas travel across borders, and your comments truly inspire us to create even better content for you. Beyond their aesthetic appeal, these sculptures embody a powerful message about sustainability and responsible design. The contemporary design world increasingly recognizes the importance of reducing waste and finding creative ways to extend the life of existing materials. By transforming discarded wood and metal into artistic expressions, artisans demonstrate that sustainability does not require compromise in quality or beauty. Instead, reclaimed materials often possess characteristics that new materials lack, including unique textures, matured grain patterns, and the subtle patina of age. These qualities lend authenticity and individuality to each sculpture, ensuring that no two pieces are exactly alike. The process of crafting abstract sculptures from reclaimed materials also reflects the growing movement toward artisanal production. In an era dominated by mass manufacturing, handmade objects carry a sense of uniqueness and personal connection that factory-produced items rarely achieve. Each sculpture emerges through a series of thoughtful decisions made by the artisan, from selecting and preparing the materials to shaping their final arrangement. The resulting artwork carries the imprint of human creativity and skill, offering viewers a tangible reminder of the craftsmanship involved in its creation. This emphasis on artistry enhances the perceived value of the sculpture, positioning it within the realm of high-end interior decor. For designers and collectors alike, the appeal of reclaimed material sculptures lies not only in their visual impact, but also in their narrative depth. Every piece of wood or metal used in the sculpture has lived a previous life, perhaps as part of a building, a piece of furniture, or an industrial structure. When these fragments are reassembled into an abstract composition, they carry with them echoes of their past while contributing to a new artistic identity. This layered history adds emotional resonance to the artwork, inviting viewers to imagine the journey that transformed discarded remnants into a refined design piece. Such storytelling enhances the connection between the artwork and its audience, elevating it beyond mere decoration. The economic potential of abstract sculptures crafted from reclaimed wood and metal further underscores their significance within contemporary design markets. As demand for sustainable luxury continues to grow, buyers increasingly seek objects that combine environmental responsibility with artistic distinction. Sculptures that embody these qualities naturally attract attention in galleries, interior design studios, and curated retail spaces. The relatively low cost of reclaimed materials, when paired with skilled craftsmanship and innovative design, allows artisans to create pieces with high perceived value. This dynamic demonstrates how sustainable practices can also support profitable creative enterprises, proving that environmental awareness and economic success can coexist within the design industry. Within interior architecture, abstract sculptures also contribute to the shaping of spatial identity. A thoughtfully placed piece can establish a visual rhythm within a room, guiding the viewer's eye across different elements of the design. The vertical lines of a metal structure might echo the form of nearby furniture or architectural features, while the organic curves of wood introduce softness that balances more rigid geometries. Through these relationships, the sculpture becomes an integral component of the interior environment rather than an isolated object. It participates in the overall composition of the space, reinforcing themes of texture, contrast, and proportion that define contemporary design aesthetics. Ultimately, the creation of complementary abstract art sculptures from artisanal discarded wood and metal reveals the extraordinary potential hidden within materials that society often overlooks. Through careful selection, thoughtful composition, and skilled craftsmanship, Fragments once destined for disposal are transformed into works of art that enrich modern interiors. These sculptures stand as proof that reclaimed materials can transcend their humble origins to become sophisticated expressions of design and creativity. By embracing the textures, histories, and structural possibilities inherent in reclaimed wood and metal, artisans demonstrate that sustainable practices can lead to truly remarkable artistic outcomes. Thank you for spending your time with Decor Ideas and being part of our creative woodworking and decor journey. We hope this video inspired you to see new possibilities in craftsmanship and home decor. Your thoughts truly matter to us, so feel free to share your ideas, suggestions, or feedback in the comments and let us know which designs or techniques you'd love to see next. If you enjoyed this creation, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and share it with your friends and family who love crafting and decor inspiration. Stay connected with Decor Ideas for more creative woodworking projects and inspiring decor transformations. We can't wait to see you in our next video. Until then, stay safe and stay blessed.